Hey guys, Aditya this side. Today we are going to unbox Sony DX221 triple LCD projector. So let's get started. Here, see, it's a Sony DX221 projector. See, I'm going to unbox it, and then I will quickly tell you the properties and the differences between DLP and LCD projectors, which are better, why do I prefer LCD projectors over DLP, etc, etc. This projector will cost you around 30 to 32,000 in India, and I think Sony has discontinued this model from the past month. This projector has very good display quality for projecting. It's a little bit long distance projector. You can use it in a conference meeting or in classrooms, etc. I have to cut this plastic. See, it's completely sealed. What is inside the box? Let's see. First, there is a user manual of Sony. I hope you guys will be able to see this. So here is a VGA cable, VGA to VGA. Here is a power adapter. See, it's a pin just like the pin you use in your computer systems for SMPS. A wall stand. And in this is the projector. There is a bag to protect the projector from any physical damage. And here is the remote to control the input aspect ratio, to change the warmth, and to change generally the RGB lights for the display. And I will quickly show you the projector. How does it look inside the box. Finally, here is the projector. See guys, here from here you can adjust focus the angle, and here you can zoom in and zoom out. See, there are two rotators. It's a XGA projector by Sony, and there is one input for HDMI and one for VGA cable. Here is a power plug. This is for audio, and this projector has inbuilt speakers. But of course, the speakers are not very loud. So if you want to use it in a conference room, then of course you need battery speakers. Here are the few buttons for power, input, output, menu, and to change the RGB display configurations. Here is the lens and the lens cap. Quickly, I will demonstrate you what is the meaning of DLP projectors and what's the difference between DLP and LCD projectors. As I promised, DLP generally stands for digital light processing projectors. In the DLP projectors, they project a beam light through a color wheel, then to reflecting mirrors, then finally to the lens. In LCD mirrors are they produce quite sharper image and superior picture quality than of DLP mirrors, than of DLP projectors. DLP projectors are more lighter, portable, and considered to be more reliable than LCD projectors. They have a better shelf life, like you can use for more than 3 years. But as DLP projectors use the lens, then you have to clean the lens from dust from time to time. Okay. I will quickly demonstrate the properties of this projector with you. It uses triple LCD system, light source. It has ultra high pressure mercury lamp which produces the heat and light. And the lamp inside this projector has 3 modes: low mode, low intensity mode, standard, and high mode. In low intensity mode, nothing to tell you about this. Screen size, output. Yes, the output. In low output mode, it produces light of 16 lumens. In standard, 1900 lumens. 1600 lumens in low, 1900 lumens in standard output, and in high output it outputs maximum. It works in maximum intensity. It's maximum capacity, and it produces 2800 lumens, which is quite sharp. This talking about display resolution, it has XGA 1600 into 1200 dots. There are multiple color options in this. Power requirements. It requires 100 volts to 240 volts and 2.9 to 1.1. Sorry, 2.9 to 11 amperes and frequency of generally 50-60 hertz. I think that's all, guys. And it has dimension of 32 into 7.9 into 23 centimeters. The height, width, and breadth. That's all. See you in the next video. Bye.